nice. It's
like it.
Super refreshing. Beautiful drink that you can make at home. Watermelon beetroot juice, and then you add a little bit of ginger and lemon to make it tasty. So refreshing, super hydrating, very easy to make. You can make yours and enjoy this powerful drink together with your family. Our children love it. We are happy to share with you this powerful experience. I believe we have inspired you to do something for yourself. Try this. It's very powerful and it's very, very